So today it's just me at the house because everybody went to the river because it's the last day of summer or something like this. So I'm here alone for this mountain of food that I have to carry now. Look at it, but it's amazing, amazing, delicious products. I love that. Cucumbers and zucchinis and a bunch of tomatoes and this and 25 kilo of flour on the bottom. All this amazing stuff costed me 30 euros, about 30. So Albania, and this is all from here. This is the best possible product, so that's amazing. 50 kilos of food pushing down this slope, up this slope. It's not an easy task, let me tell you, but I'll get there. If you're living under persimmon tree, that's what you get in the morning. No, persimmon in my shoe. Good morning to me. They're everywhere. Yeah. Because there was a persimmon in my shoe today, I'm declaring war on persimmons, so now we're picking them up and making them into dessert. War on persimmons. I've seen them this size, they're beautiful, they're huge. The most expensive spice in the world. Here we are going to the cave again. Me, Celine, Clotilde and Eva. What a lovely Sunday dinner we have today. Delicious salad, baked potatoes, fried vegetables and chocolate persimmon orangey cake, which is my own. Hope it's good. Yeah, gotta be nice. Let me see what they're selling here. Hello. So this is all like amazing fresh product. I'm wondering about these hazelnuts. They look amazing. For these hazelnuts, how much? How much for a hazelnut? So I want this and this. Both. Can you put it here? Yeah. Both of hazelnuts. Yes, everything. Thank you. How much? 2 euros for the hazelnuts, for like half a kilo the freshest, most amazing hazelnuts. That's good. You can find good things in these little street vendors. Well, street village vendors. I'm going for a walk with Mocha. And maybe we even find some mushrooms because it was raining and it's quite warm, so I don't know, I haven't foraged for mushrooms for a long time because I haven't been in Slovenia and I did. Whoa! Ah! Anyway, I haven't been in Slovenia for a long time and I don't know like Asian mushrooms, but here in the Balkan I know, so let's see how it goes. I'm leaving this place next week. Today is my day off and I just went to walk a bit because the place here is so beautiful. I mean, come on. I've never stayed anywhere this long on my trip, but it's really, wow, so beautiful. Mocha is a bit too fancy to jump here, so I think I have to carry her. Ah, Mocha. You wanna go? Mocha! Wasn't that difficult, was it? Mocha! So we didn't find any mushrooms, but we did find a bunch of herbs that we're gonna use for cooking. Almost as delicious. I've never seen a sky so red. It's like the sky is bleeding. Cave, and I think this will be the first time that this cave has ever seen a bachata dance inside. Maybe the first cave in the world, who knows? Dekleje po wodę szło na wysokie planiny. Dekleje po wodę szło na wysokie planiny.
Important to film.
I think it's gonna be too boring for the vlog.
Yeah, we've got no commentary.
Can someone comment? So here we are.
You want to
Ladling.
try to press the little spoon?
Yeah, let me
Oh,
have a
look.
try.
Oh no, you cannot put this in the bottle.
So here we have Kian ladling the vinegar.
Oh, no? Yes?
No?
And then we have a
Just
bit of
look at them.
Scody.
Oh.
Scody.
No?
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
go. If you go this way, you can keep this going.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, we...
That's full.
Oh, well done. Okay. So we've had our suspicions that these two are having a love affair, and now we've just caught them in the kitchen dancing bachata. It's very sensual. Look at us.
Whoa, poop. So tonight's dinner, Clotilde is the chef today. She's roasting tortillas, and we have, my god, I have never done so much preparation for dinner, but it's gonna be worth it.
Really great to see your progress in like some weeks. You want to dance just a bit and look at?
Ella.